This is a really quick recipe for a low-carb crunchwrap supreme. Here are the ingredients. We have some taco sauce, some pre-seasoned taco meat, some shredded lettuce, shredded cheese, sour cream, cut to carb, flatbread, and some butter. So you're going to start by adding butter to a frying pan. And then you're going to take this pre-seasoned taco meat. I love that. Saves a little time. You don't have to season the meat. I'm just going to fry that up until it's cooked all the way through. Then we're going to use cut to carb flatbread. These things are perfect for making crunch wraps. We're going to add some of the pre-seasoned taco meat to the center. And then I actually made one with Frank's Red Hot, and I liked it a little better than the taco sauce, but up to you. And some sour cream. You should really spread it around a little bit more than I did. And then we're going to put some shredded lettuce on top. Get that big piece out of there. After the lettuce, we're going to do some shredded Mexican cheese. I like cheese, so I'm going to add a lot of that. And then we're going to fold this up, and this is why I like the cut to carb flatbread, because it just folds up so nicely into the perfect crunch wrap supreme shape. Then we're going to take this over to the stove and fry it up in some butter. I like putting that heavy press on it just to get it a little flat. Then we're going to flip it over, fry the other side. Look at that. It's perfect. Flatten it out a little bit. It comes out so perfect. Golden. And we're going to cut this up. I really need a sharper knife. And look at this cheesy goodness. Enjoy and follow me for more low-carb recipes.